In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new Gmail account. We'll go from the very first click all the way to your new inbox, so you can start emailing with confidence. First, open your browser and head to gmail.com or accounts.google.com. On the sign-in page, look for the Create Account option. Click it and choose the type that fits you, personal use if this is for yourself, for child if you're setting up supervised access for a minor, or business if you're creating an account to manage work communications and company tools. Next, enter your personal details. Type in your first and last name as you want them to appear. Provide your date of birth and gender. This helps Google tailor settings and verify age-appropriate features. Now pick a Gmail username. This will become your email address, so make it clear and memorable. If your first choice is taken, try simple variations, like adding a middle initial or a number you don't mind sharing. Avoid including sensitive details. Create a strong password. Aim for at least 8 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The goal is something unique and hard to guess but still something you can reliably use. Confirm the same password in the next field, then click Next to move on. Google will now verify your phone number. Enter the number you want to use, and when you receive a text, type the verification code exactly as shown. If prompted, you may also see a QR code. Open your phone's camera app and scan it to complete verification on the device. Keep your phone nearby and, if needed, request a new code after a short wait. You'll be offered the option to add a recovery email. This is highly recommended because it makes account recovery much easier if you ever forget your password or get locked out. Take a moment to review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. When you're comfortable, click I agree to finish setup. You'll land in your new Gmail inbox. On the left, the Compose button lets you start a new message right away. You can send a quick test email to confirm everything's working and begin exploring labels, settings, and themes at your own pace. That's it, your Gmail account is ready. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like these. See you in the next tutorial.